Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could get this new Nitro New Look offer for September 2025. Basically, a few days ago, Discord introduced this new bundle that you could get for free as being a Nitro user. And this includes an avatar decoration nameplate, an avatar decoration, and an avatar profile effect. As you can see, I just got the update now on my Discord account, and we can see that it says, to thank you for being a Nitro member, we're giving you a limited edition celebratory profile bundle, yours to use with Nitro. And it says to claim by 9/30, terms apply. So we're going to quickly go over the terms before we claim this reward. So we can see this was posted 6 days ago on the Discord articles website or the Discord blog. And we could see a few different information here. So firstly, it says here this offer is rolling out gradually starting September 18th. So some people already have this offer, while some people don't actually have it yet. And as it says here, most users will begin seeing it on September 23rd, 2025. Today is the 24th as of recording this video, and today is the day that I just received it. So people may still be getting it now, so you might not get it till even tomorrow or the 26th, but hopefully within the next couple days, it should be rolled out to every single user. It says if it's not available for you yet, it says check back in a few days or review our eligibility conditions below to make sure you're eligible. And we can see the offer details here. Get an exclusive profile bundle, including an avatar decoration, profile effect, and a nameplate when you sign up for Upgrade to or have Nitro Monthly or Nitro Yearly by September 30th. So you can sign up for Nitro or upgrade to Nitro if you don't have it already, and you'll still be able to get this free effect. And I will be going over how you can do this for completely free without actually buying Nitro, which I'll go over soon. We're just going to quickly go over a few more things on this article. The next major note here is that this offer is only available through Discord, a desktop app, and the browser. So you have to be on PC. You cannot be on mobile. This offer will not appear on mobile. So you have to be on PC, and you could use either the app that you download, or you could just use, Google Chrome and just search up discord.com/app. But either way, you could use the browser or the app, but it has to be on PC. We scroll down a bit here, we could see the names of the bundle. It's called the Nitro Jet Fuel Profile Bundle, Jet Ring Avatar Decoration, Blast Off Profile Effect, and Jet Stream Nameplate. We could also see here that for new Nitro members as well, we'll also have the September 30th deadline, so that's the same. It also says here, to be eligible for this offer must meet the following criteria, or one of the following. Either Discord users who have an active Nitro membership, Discord users who have subscribed to a Nitro membership, Discord users who have upgraded from Classic to Nitro, or Discord users currently using an active trial or offer. So I will be showing you how to get a free Nitro trials or offer so you could actually get it for free, which I will show you in just a minute here. I'm just going to quickly go over the rest here. We can see here this offer is only available in certain regions, so if you do not see it, you're not eligible. Now you can possibly get around this using a VPN. It might not work, but you can try. But I would say for the most part, this should be available to most major countries if I had to guess, but if it's not available to you, then you could try a VPN. If not, just wait to see if it will appear for you in a couple days. So anyways, you're going to come back to Discord here, and we can see on the tab there is the Nitro Home tab, and this is where you will claim the offer. But I'm going to quickly show you how to get Nitro for free if you do not have Nitro right now, so you can get this bundle completely for free on your Discord account. So all you're going to do is go to the Discovery tab in the bottom left here. You're going to go to the Quests tab on the top right, or top left, sorry, and you'll see a bunch of different quests here that you can complete. Now, I've completed most of them, but there is 2 of them here that you can actually obtain 700 Discord orbs. More specifically, there is this hymn trailer here, and there's also this Acheron trailer. These ones are 2 trailers where you can watch completely for free to get the orbs. If these are already over by the time you're watching this video, you could wait for either more, or you could do any of these other quests. Like, for example, this skate quest is available till the 28th. Skate is completely free on Steam, so you could install that. I do have a video on my channel for this one. These other ones here, like if you have any of these games like Delta Force or Arena Breakout, any of these quests that you can get 700 Discord orbs from, you could do, and all you have to do is do 2 of them, so you could get up to 1400 Discord orbs, which will show in the top right here. So once you have the 1400 Discord orbs, unless you already have that much saved up, you'll just click on this orbs and then click on open the shop, and it will open up the Nitro shop here. And literally on the first thing under Orb exclusives on the top, there'll be this 3-day Nitro credit, which you can actually buy. And if you click on view details, you get the actual full Nitro. It's only for 3 days, but that doesn't matter because this is how you can get the offer. Because you have Nitro, you're subscribing to Nitro, not actually subscribing, but you're getting Nitro through an offer, and it literally says you could use a Nitro offer or a Nitro trial to get this this free bundle. So you can claim this for 1400, so you could get that free Nitro. But if you already have Nitro, then of course you could get this for completely free. So all we're going to do is go to the Nitro home here on the top left, and this is how you get it. And you're going to scroll down a little bit here, and you'll see this bonus here right on the left. So it says snag a bonus bundle, enjoy a limited edition profile bundle. So we're just going to click on claim bundle, and that's it. It's already added to your account. And if we go to edit user profile, it'll take you to your editing section for your profile. And if we go to like the nameplate or whatever, we could see the Nitro nameplate that we just got. We could also see the profile effect. So if we change effect, we can see it right here. So we got this new profile effect. I actually really like it, so I'm actually going to use it. But basically, you get to use it for as long as you have Nitro. You probably have to keep Nitro, so that's the only thing. But either way, it's added to your account, so it's on your account forever. So if you do get Nitro in the future, then you can use it once again. But nonetheless, though, this is a completely free bundle, and I think it's really nice. It's pretty clean overall for the customization that it gives you. And I mean, that's all that matters, really. It's a free bundle, and Discord doesn't do this often. We don't really see any Nitro like things like this where you get, free Nitro items, I guess you could say. Normally you have to either pay for it or wait to save up enough orbs, which is just, it takes a while to do, but this is completely free. And once again, there's only 6 days left upon uploading this video, so make sure you get this as soon as you can, and make sure to share this video with your friends so then they can get it too for completely free, especially before any of those orb quests end, because if there's no more orbs quests to get, and you don't have Nitro and you don't have enough orbs, then you probably can't get it unless else you'll have to just buy Nitro for the normal price. But who wants to do that, right? So either way, though, that is how you get this new bundle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please join my Discord server. It is linked in the description below. If you need help with anything Discord related, whether that be setting up a server or setting up a specific bot, or you just want relative Discord news or things like this where it's on, these free Nitro offers and other offers that Discord has for free, please subscribe to my channel and check it out. And I will see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Once again, at 3,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away Discord Nitro to 3 different winners, so make sure to subscribe and join my Discord server. Anyways, though, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.